It's the first day at the Young Transport Workers Summer School in Washington. The 40 young workers from 24 countries have been discussing the political, economical and environmental crisis. I'm here with Jim Stanford, who's been facilitating the session today. Jim, how do you think it's going and why do you think it's important that young transport workers discuss issues like this?
Well, it's a great group. There's 40 people here from all over the world. They're keeners, they're smart, they're very committed to their unions, and they're learning about economics today, and they're going to learn about politics and precarious work and union organizing the rest of the week. I think trade unionists have to know about economics. It's often portrayed that economics is a mysterious technical discipline that should be left to the experts. That's quite wrong. We all have to learn about economics at least enough to push back at the false ideas they keep trying to ram down our throats. And I'm really impressed with the caliber of the students here.
Thanks, Jim.
Thank you.
This has been Donna Connor at the ITF Summer School for Young Transport Workers in Washington.